Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A Kar98k at the needed level and camo challenges visible in your loadout. Once done, equip a basic sniper setup so progress counts reliably, because exotic attachments can hide challenge tracking. Make sure to pick game modes that favor quick, long-range kills. They increase headshot and distance counts fast. You should plan 30 to 60-minute sessions, keeping focus on consistent positioning. And remember to check challenge progress between matches to avoid wasted grind. Now you concentrate on executing reliable kills. Favor headshots and one-shot zones because they complete multiple combos simultaneously, and that saves time. Once positioned, use a suppressor with stock and steady optics to lower flinch and stabilize aim-down sight speed, which directly affects accuracy. This is why weapon control matters. Move through predictable rotation lanes, high ground and clear sight lines, so you can set up repeatable engagements. Vary your pace. Quick peak shots followed by repositioning reduces being countered. To finish, concentrate on remaining specific tasks like long-range kills or multi-kill streaks. Do them in focused sessions so you don't lose momentum. Once a set completes, verify the completion screen and claim the dark matter camo, then apply it to your Kar98k immediately so progress is locked in. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Change attachments to improve handling, swap perks or field upgrades, and review a replay to spot missed criteria. One key tip if progress stalls: lower sensitivity slightly and reattempt controlled shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.